Hey everybody, how you doing? David Geisler here, host of the Technophiles podcast, here to sing the silly song for episode 246. In episode 246, we talked about the new power battery, the wall battery that Elon Musk just announced, that Tesla just announced. We had Crystal Lee Malone on as a guest, and I'm going to now try to come up with some kind of silly song about wall batteries. And I'll be using some chords from the 90s that I'm actually kind of excited about. Let's see. I'm recording out in the yard today, but it kind of looks like a storm is coming. Was I off of the grid? Was I all on my own? Inside of my home I could be with my electricity. Now I know that I can be all alone, 'cause Elon Musk made it so that I can charge up the battery. I know it's for cars, but now it's for homes. What do you have to say? Yeah, because we can help the community. Even though you can't be self-sufficient, you can still help the world be more green. Ay, ay, ay.